Atif Mohammad Khan, the husband of renowned model and actress Nadia Hussain, has been arrested in connection with a multi-million rupee fraud case. Khan previously served as the CEO of bank Alfalah Securities, has been charged of embezzling a staggering 540 million rupees. The allegations against Khan include the misuse of 80 million rupees of company funds for personal trading activities. Furthermore, he is accused of illegally acquiring 654 million rupees through a third party, which he allegedly repaid with high-interest payments using corporate funds. The FIA's investigation has also implicated former Chief Financial Officer Faisal Sheikh and another individual, Imtiaz Ahmed, for their roles in facilitating the fraudulent activities. Authorities have stated that further investigations are ongoing, and more details may emerge as the case develops.